This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay. Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye. Disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. And all right. Okay. All right. So, what's up, beautiful disasters? As you can see, I'm coming to you today. I'm super excited for what we are about to open and see. And, well, hell, just answer some questions. If you were curious like I was curious, then just keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Hold on. Let me get it. Okay. The HiMirror slide. Okay. 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 All right. So I know you guys have seen this. Okay. I know you were looking and you were like, that's cool, but if I'm going to spend money on it, I need to be able to use this thing. And I want to know, does it really work? Made the purchase. I did a little dibble. I did a little. I did some snooping. I read some stuff. And, I don't know. I'm going to read it again because I don't remember what I read, but I brought it. So yeah. Well, there you go. Look, I have high hopes for this. I do. If this does what I think it's supposed to do, the ideas that I have to test this product as well as others for this channel. Well, quick start guide. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open it. All right, so this is it. This is it.
I'm Dorothy though. Don't get it messed up. Don't get it messed up. You can be Tin Man. You can be Scarecrow. Hell, you can be Toto if you want to. But I'm Dorothy. Okay. What?
All right. Okay, so quick start guide is in the plastic here. Is this it? I don't get. Now look at here. Okay, and a warranty card. Okay, so the package contents: HiMirror slide, power adapter, quick start guide, and warranty card. Well, yeah, that's what I got. Hold on, let me show y'all what I'm reading here. So here's the warranty card though. It says limited warranty. I just wonder how long the limited warranty is for.
If I care to read this, because I don't see it. I don't see where it says 7 months, 10 months, 12 months. If I care, by the time I edit this, then I'll let you know with a voiceover right here. Again, if I care. I don't know. You might care. So I'm going to try to care just a little bit for you. But I don't know how far that's going to take you.
Now, here's the charger. And I'm just taking it. Because I was going to say, I don't know what's the top and what's the bottom.
Let's get some juice. Oh, I can do USB or I can do this. Not gonna miss, count!
I'm dry-faced. I'm very dry right now. So, I'm like super excited because I want to see what my skin is giving or what this says my skin is giving because, girl, we don't know if it's telling us the truth or not yet. So we gonna see.
Oh, that's cute. Look at that.
So this is the screen. You have to create a profile. Let me go ahead and do that and I'll be back. It is easier to log in using your cell phone number than your email. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know why. So Now you're all set. Here are some tips for you. Power button, push to turn on and off screen. Off the screen, push and hold to turn on and off the power. Okay, so that's on the back. All right, next. Now you're all set. Here are some tips for you. Back home light. Okay, so back home light. Okay, all right, enjoy. Very cute, very cute. All right, let me go ahead and put my, well, let's see what I can do with my name with the little icon. So cool thing was I was able to change the name. So I was able to change it to Beautiful Disaster, which is great. It did give me the option to take a pic, and because I look like this, yeah, options you have before I set mine up the way I want mine to be set up. So you have skin safe. I don't know what these things are. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through these, but then I'm going to be setting things up. So I'm going to be, you know, coming back and going on to the next one. I might want to set up some things. And as I click on some things, and we're going to come back and go back and forth and back and forth, back and forth. Okay. And then we're going to see, you know, what it really, what we can do. I'm excited though. I'm still excited. I mean, I got a little frustrated and I lost hope for like a little bit, but I'm excited again. I'm excited again.
You just can't tell. I'll be more excited once we get this over with and I can moisturize. I need serums. Okay.
Okay, so this is what's happening, all right? So I was filming a video on the HiMirror, and come to find out the firmware needs to be updated, and it's taking a lot longer to download for this update than I thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something with the front of my hair, and probably lay my adult hairs, because I'm 42, about to be 43. There are no more baby hairs. And I got some wigs, so we're going to try them on, see what they look like. That's going to be the video. So what's probably going to happen is I'm going to start to edit the HiMirror video. That's going to be loaded. This video is going to be edited, loaded, and then back to the HiMirror at some point once this is done. Okay? All right. That's what's going on. But I'll be back.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivated. Goodbye.